The Honorable Governor of Kitui, Honorable members of County Executive Committees of Kitui present, the Chief Officers and all officers from the Kitui County, my colleagues present, the Chief Magistrate who is here with me. We have the Deputy Registrar. I don't know, maybe she is under a bush because of the hot sun. Good afternoon. I wish to bring the apologies from Honorable Justice Kimani, Judge of the ELC. Although she was with us yesterday, she is attending a funeral and sent her apologies. Thank you so much, Governor. When we paid yesterday a courtesy call, which was the first after the people of Kitui County decided that you will be their governor, we decided to pay a courtesy call, which was an official visit to kind of know you and also know the officers who are serving in this county. Like I said yesterday, we do complementary roles. We serve the people of Kitui in our various capacities, both the national government and the county government. And so I'm quite glad this afternoon, to realize one of the fruits of that visit. Because you promised yesterday, you told us that we have reserved a piece of land here, and you said you did that in 2016, which was actually good. And I told you that if indeed you had reserved that land, I've been hearing it also that there is land which was meant for the judiciary, but I've not seen it. So, because of course in this country at times you find that there are some things that are only on paper. So yesterday I did challenge that, can we see? And this afternoon I'm glad that it is true. The land is here. You have showed us. And that is actually the purpose why we are here, to see the parcel of land. One of the tenets of our constitution is right to access to justice. Every Kenyan, wherever they are, have a right to access justice, and that justice should be as close as possible. Where you find that people have to cover great distances, then you realize that the distance actually become an impediment to the access to justice. And so you are promised that you will ensure that in each and every sub-county there would be a plot set aside for that purpose of putting up a facility where the judiciary would be able then to deliver or dispense justice is actually good. The vision of the judiciary is to set up in each sub-county, every constituency, a magistrate's court. And in every county, the vision is to ensure that in every county there is a high court, port, ELC, and the high court. So at least here we have a high court and also we have the ELC. The problem we have is the constraint on space. Two of the magistrates serving here in Kitui currently are doing their work or delivering justice in the corridors. So literally, they are dispensing justice in the corridors of justice, in the corridors of the courts. And that's not how it should be. And so you find when you come there, and I'm sure some of you have come, you realize that members of the public, the litigants, and the suspects find it a problem to really access justice in a good environment. And it is in that respect that we are asked for assistance and partnership with the county government to see whether we can get perhaps even a temporary measure. We all know that there is a lot of constraints of funds, and within the judiciary, that's not an exception. If we can get a tent, and then it will be in good order. We will temporarily use that, and because there is no space there to put up more buildings to accommodate judges and magistrates, this is something that is welcome. The space here is sufficient. Once the paperwork is ready, Your Excellency, I can assure you, I will invite the CJ, and the CJ will be very glad to come and receive the allocation letter from you. And also, I think it's also an opportunity for the people of Kitui to welcome the CJ in this county. Because while she has visited other counties, I think she is here to visit here. And she has promised me, when I came here, I told her that it's been a while since CJ visited this county. And she told me, invite me. Then we were discussing and deliberating with my colleagues. We were asking ourselves, we invite the CJ to come and do what? Now, I think we have now something that the CJ will come and do, to receive and allocate an allotment so that she can actually feel the pain that the people of this county are undergoing each and every day. So we thank you, Your Excellency, for thinking about this years back. Because as you told us yesterday, this is not something that has just happened. It is something that was thought of way back, and it's a decision that you made in 2016. And for what we should do for the people of this county and county at large, is to do things that will be important even after we exceed the scene. And I think that will be a good vision for this country. For this country. So I don't think I have much to say, other than to thank you and your team for the good work that you are doing in terms of ensuring that the services reach the people in a very easy way. I think with those few remarks, I wish to say thank you na asante sana.